For decades, SAP Business Warehouse has been the foundation for SAP-centric reporting and analytics. Today, it remains the source of some of the most important business data for organizations worldwide. SAP Business Warehouse and SAP Business Data Cloud gives you a clear path to modernize that foundation with minimal disruption. It preserves the value you've built while giving your teams the flexibility to connect, extend, and innovate across data and AI. The decades' worth of mission-critical data in BW has rich semantics, models, and business logic. Rebuilding on a new platform would risk disrupting the operations your business depends on. With Business Data Cloud, you can quickly transform your existing BW objects into cloud-ready, semantically rich data products, preserving the value of what you've built in a secure SAP-managed environment. That means you can keep running BW as you modernize at your own pace, without costly rebuilds or complex migrations. Your BW system holds decades of valuable records, like order and payment history, critical data your business relies on to reconcile cash flow every month. Within Business Data Cloud, BW data can be combined with SAP and non-SAP sources. This unified business data fabric creates a trusted foundation for analytics, planning, and AI-driven insights. Every team works from the same single definition of data, so decisions are faster and grounded in truth. Your BW data products become the foundation for advanced AI and machine learning. Seamlessly share those data products bi-directionally into SAP Databricks in Business Data Cloud through Delta sharing, enabling deeper analysis and continuous intelligence. You can apply models, orchestrate end-to-end workflows, and forecast risk scenarios, unlocking new intelligence that wasn't accessible through BW alone. And when you're ready, you can fully transform to Business Data Cloud with confidence, all while maintaining your most important data, models, and business logic in BW. With SAP Business Warehouse in Business Data Cloud, you can preserve decades of BW context with a business data fabric architecture, enriching it with live SAP and non-SAP data for even deeper analytics and AI. Unleash the power of your business data with SAP Business Data Cloud.